will be available online today, the 3rd of August, from 1800 hours. Candidates' results will be accessible online to all candidates and authorized personnel through the Zimsec portal, accessed through the link https://results.zimsec.co.zw/. I will take that again. https://results.zimsec.co.zw/. Using the candidate's details on the statement of entry. Please note that the portal will be open for 5 days. Thereafter, candidates who should access the results from their respective examination centers.